This is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is November 25th, 2023, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPX, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and see if trading is something that is actually suited for you. Let's jump right over to the charts and see what we see. And I see green, 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 green. The SPY didn't quite break that yearly high, but it is on its way, in my opinion. But as you can see, this white little bar that I have crossed here, that we're going to take a quick look on the quarterly chart, is our resistance point. We have a yearly resistance, a yearly R1. We hit it last quarter and bounced back. The question is, can we break that this quarter? And that's why, again, with this S&P 500 here, I do not believe it can make all-time highs. If it do, it's definitely not going to be this month with the few days that's left in it. The question is, if can it even get above this R1 level? If it gets above this R1 level, then we have a chance, and it can move enough to break that, because we're definitely less than 300 points away, and but that's going to be a really pretty tough run to get 300 points. That's almost 75 points a week, in the month of December, with a holiday week in there also. But let's see if it can actually do it. I think it can. But let's take a look. Let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly chart and see what we see there. As we can see, we've been having a very hot month, and based on what it moved this month, if we can get a month like that next month, we definitely can make all-time highs. We definitely should get above, we got above this R1 here on these quarterly pivots, so now next quarter, can we get up to an R2 level? And the market, and it has done this before. It has gotten to an R2 level. And so it is possible. So let's just kind of wait and see what actually happened here. On the monthly chart, of course, we're above the 10. We're bullish. The stochastic is at the top. So I look at it, see if the stochastic, we know it can hang out here at the top. It doesn't tell us nothing at this time other than to manage our trades. It's not time to go long or anything on the S&P 500. So just see what happens. All right, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, as we can see, I'm basing this is based off of these highs right here, not even those highs, because this thing didn't last time it came up here to this level, it couldn't go down. So I end up creating me a supply line up here, and that's where we're getting ready to hit. Now, let me just zoom in here just in case you can't see exactly what I'm looking at here. I'm just below my supply line where this market is going to have a hard time crossing the river, as me and one of my other guys like saying, can it cross the river or can it cross the tracks and all? And then if it can cross that, we definitely can go higher. As we can see on these monthly pivots on this weekly chart, we at the month, we did break an R2 level. So with that in mind, let me see if I can do something right quick here. I'm going to change this to 10. That probably is enough. Yes. So next month, us going to an R1 level, definitely with 4683, would definitely get us yearly highs. I'm pretty sure about that. That would definitely get us yearly highs. Now, our all-time high is way up at 4,800. That's why I say it's kind of hard to see if that can actually happen, a 4,800. So, and this is by the end of the year. So it is possible, but as you can see, it's done it before. So if we have a really hot December, we can make all-time highs next month. But we got to kind of like wait and see what actually happens. So that's what I'm seeing, and the stochastic is not quite there. So I definitely see us making yearly highs. The question is now, will it make all-time highs? And let's take a quick look and see it with the daily action that we had last week on the holiday week. Wasn't too much. Like I said, on Monday, we had a nice little pop, and the market just kind of hung out right around in this area and slowly drifted up. Couldn't get above an R1 level, and I ended up closing just below that, and that was pretty much it for the week. As we can see on the daily chart, we are at a top. So like I say, it's not time to go long on the S&P 500. It's just we're in a management mode, just kind of like just hanging out there at the top and steady drifting higher. Based on your trading plan, your trading strategies, you might be able to get yourself into it at this time. But at this time, we say no and all. And that's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys having a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next weekend. Have a good one. Bye.